What if I said your Arabic calligraphy struggle ends here? If you haven't already checked, you might want to go and check out this playlist to get the whole tutorial from the beginning. Click here to check the playlist where we learned how to write alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, sheen. These many letters in just 3 videos. Easy and fast, without compromising with the quality. Rest all depends on your practice. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to art.bimble, where I provide you with art related tips and tricks, some art stories to make your art journey easier. Happy learning with art.bimble. In this video, we are going to learn about swad, zod, ta, za, and ghain. Few more videos and you're ready for moving to level 2. What's level 2? You'll know shortly. I'll give you a hint. Arabic calligraphy, painting, and your own business. Okay, let's start with nuqtas. Grab your highlighters and make 3 nuqtas horizontally for the first stroke. Now watch how I make the first stroke. It's like an upslope and then a curve. Then the second stroke is going to be like this. The third and fourth stroke are similar to what we did in scene. Make 1 nuqta here and look at the markings. This is half a nuqta, 1 and 1 plus 1. Similar to scene, here we have 1 nuqta and this last stroke is going to be 1 nuqta, this. As I said, these last 2 strokes are like scenes, so 3 to 4 nuqtas here we have. Now let's see without nuqtas. In the meantime, let me talk about the level 2 I was talking about earlier. If you remember, in the first video I talked about a series of videos making it like a course. So level 1 is practicing with highlighters that we are doing. It will be few videos and then we are done with it. The level 2 will be trying out examples with other art supplies. Finally, making you capable of doing Arabic calligraphy paintings and running your own small business and earning money doing something that you love to do. Just like me.
Wow!
Yeah, but it's possible only when you practice. So let's practice the next letters ta and za. After practicing ta and za, we'll do ain and ghain. Okay, so ta. For ta, you're going to make 3 horizontal nuqtas. Then keep an eye on the stroke that I'm going to make, the first one. It's similar to the first 2 strokes of swad. So recapitulate what we did for the first 2 strokes of swad just recently. And that's what we are going to do for ta. Moving on to the next stroke with that triangular tip at the end. I've explained that in Jim, so go and check it out. The third stroke is going to be like you're writing alif on top of it. This will be 1 nuqta. Also, this space is going to be 1 nuqta. Then this is going to be 1 nuqta here, and we have this as 1.5 or 2 nuqtas. If you remember, alif was also having a zulf, like a flick, and this is also going to be similar here. Also, in case of ra, dal, we can also make a zulf there on the first stroke, because that's also like kind of a small alif in different angle. It's like a wave, so yeah. Watch those videos and you'll get to know what I'm talking about. Moving on to writing without nuqtas, which is freehand, and I do not abide by rules in this. As I said in the first video, it's not khatati. Without nuqtas, you can do whatever you want to do. Just make sure you make it look pleasing to the eyes and kind of perfect. Also, I forgot to put that nuqta on top of ta to make it sa, but I guess that's common sense. The next letters are ain and ghain. So for that, we'll make 3 nuqtas horizontal and then this is the first stroke. It's kind of a curve, but at the tip we're going to make a triangular tip. Check out how the curve is having different sizes at both the end. It's kind of increasing in its width. And for the second stroke, what we will do, we'll make first 2 nuqtas vertically down from the midway, and then we will do this stroke, a short curve facing towards top right corner. Then put a nuqta here, and you will get to know how you have to make the next stroke. The third stroke you're going to make is going to be right below this point, and then you'll make a slight wavy curve. Let me overwrite it to make it more visible. For the next stroke, you first put 2 nuqtas here, and you will get an idea how much distance you have to put, at the end of that stroke. So this is going to be the stroke. It's a wavy, curvish type stroke. This is 1 nuqta, and we'll make the last stroke. Also, that fourth curve is not necessary. You can directly go with the last one. Then this distance should be 4.5 nuqtas almost. This line of nuqtas is making kind of a partition, and from this partition till the bottom there is almost 1 nuqta distance, like this. Moving on towards without nuqtas. As I said, no rules here. Just try to make it beautiful. Yeah. Let me stop you right here because it's almost 7 minutes, and we will take next letters next Saturday. Till then, you practice a lot, and yeah, all the best. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also share with those who would want to learn. Till next time, fi amanillah.